Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining me. It's Wellness Wednesday, and this month we're talking about natural ways to support a happy, positive brain. Some of the information was gotten from Stephen Horn. So, have you ever noticed that your mood isn't just random? It's actually something your body's creating every single day. Your brain's constantly producing chemicals that control how you feel, your energy, your motivation, your sleep, your cravings. And the good news is you can support a happy brain naturally. Your brain communicates through chemicals called neurotransmitters. And these are like messengers that tell your body how to respond and how to feel. Nerve cells send signals, chemicals are released, and they attach to receptors, and that either turns things on or off. And these are like messengers that tell your body how to feel and how to respond. Your body is then going to create your mood because we're constantly producing feel good chemicals. Your body has what we like to call natural happy chemicals, and we're meant to make these every single day. Dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, endorphins. This is our body's built in system for feeling good without needing anything external. Dopamine is for motivation and drive. It helps you take action, gives you a sense of reward, and keeps you moving forward. Oxytocin is for connection and bonding. It's really good for relationships, trust, and feeling supported. We have serotonin, which is a mood and confidence. It's emotional balance, sleep, digestion, self esteem. Serotonin has a really strong gut connection. And then there's the feel good endorphins that reduce pain, create a natural high, and help you feel better overall. And a lot of people feel off because of low energy, low motivation, anxious, or they just don't feel like themselves. And often it comes back into imbalance in these chemicals: stress, poor diet, gut issues, lack of sunlight, poor sleep. And what happens is we start chasing quick fixes for the system instead of working on the foundation. And that's why sometimes we don't feel like ourselves. So, one of the most important things to understand is your habits create your brain chemistry for your mood, your energy, and your motivation. Addictions are repeated feel good stimulation, and your habits can be positive or negative. And the goal isn't to eliminate the habits, it's to build better ones and replace those bad habits. So, this is why I always end up back at the gut because our gut plays a major role in serotonin. And what we eat directly affects how we feel. And good food really does help create a good mood. So, here's the part I really love, and this is where it gets really practical. So, if you want to support a healthy, happy brain, get some sunlight, move your body, support your gut with gut healthy foods, reduce your sugar, and try to get a good night's sleep. You can also stand tall, take care of yourself, and make better choices daily. You don't need to do everything, you just need to start with one thing. Another piece people miss is this: pursuing goals, self care, and growth, and serving others. All of these naturally boost your brain chemistry. And this is why when you're moving forward in life, you always feel better. So if you've been falling low energy or just not like yourself and feeling off, start with your habits. Your body already knows how to create a happy brain. You just need to support it. So if you want a simple place to start with my Healthy Habits Challenge. It walks you through a step by step guide on how to create healthy, sustainable lifetime habits. And remember, small habits equal big change because your body already knows how to heal. So thanks for watching me. I hope this helps you with some tips for a happy brain. We'll see you in a couple weeks.